someone's eye out with that thing.
It's pretty bumpy.
Hey, we got most of the survivors already.
What about the animal cargo?
If I were you, I'd get down from there.
If you were me, then I'd be you, and I'd use your method to get to the top. You can't stop me no matter who you are. Yeah. Loser.
All right, man, be careful.
The who? The who?
What do you want?
I'm looking for an Ace Ventura.
We do not use those spiritual names in this place.
He talks from his behind.
Oh, follow me.
Ah, Ace. 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 Ace, we need you back.
Well, my child, I have become one with the spirits. I no longer...
$200,000 hard cash.
Really?
Ace, it's time for you to leave.
But I have not reached my spiritual limit.
You just have.
Well, where's my indestructible hand of integrity?
Take mine.
But
Now get out.
this took you 70 years to obtain.
I don't care. Get out.
Okay. Shall we?
Yes.
This is gonna be some kind of record! Who doesn't love a slinky? You're gonna get a slinky, 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 go, slinky, go! Ah! Can I try again?
Ace, we have to go or else we're gonna miss our plane.
Let's do all the things you wanna do. And now, the yak.
Penis?
Yes, I have one right here. It's quite bulky, but I consider it carry.
No, penis.
Oh.
The Wachati tribe are peaceful. What the hell are you doing? Ace Ventura, pay attention here.
Oh, sorry.
The Wachati tribe, they're peaceful folk.
There's something on the way. Something. I'm sorry. What were you saying?
The Wachati tribe? Their sacred animal is missing. The Wachati are a peaceful tribe.
Oh, I like them already.
Abu Ventura.
Bumblebee tuna. Bumblebee tuna. Bumblebee tuna.
Abu Ventura.
Ace Ventura. How are you on this beautiful day? Alrighty then. Bumblebee tuna.
Is that a Starbucks cake?
Who's that?
This is where the warriors stand for 5 days. They fall down. Well, let's just say it's not pretty.
Earthquake test. Say passed. With my help, he might be the best. Only.
This
Bumblebee tuna.
This is the chief's son, Ahmed.
Oh, very nice to meet you. And who's this dashing young fella?
Hola, yo me llamo I Wash You Pee.
He says that his name is Washer P.
Oh, hold this.
¿Qué fue eso?
He says he does not understand the language you are translating there.
Tell him his secret bat is as good as found.
Adajaba,
Ah, okay.
I like you. That is a sign of affection among the Wachati. It is a great honor.
Aren't I the favorite one? Well, let me show the Wachati my appreciation. Shall we go see the secret bat?
Sí, vamos a ver.
Alrighty then.
Cállate. Vámonos por acá.
Alrighty then. Sorry, I didn't see you there.
Y aquí está.
This is where the super secret bat is. Very
Tell
simple.
Mr. Dude that his secret bat is as good as found.
Hasta la olvidable.
Ah, qué bueno.
All right,
Good.
we shall be on our journey. Come on, Spanky. I say we go check out the cave right now.
Why don't we do it tonight?
Tonight?
Yes, tonight.
Okay. Tonight.
There's the cave, Ace.
I shall be back. You know, I need to find some clues. What's that? Feather. What was that? As long as I have my unbreakable hand of integrity, I shall be fine. Die, you! Crap. Ah! That was nearly a drill. Follow me. I found this feather in the cave, and I happen to know the owner of said feather, and he probably has a secret bat. I shall be on my way. Where's the bat?
What do you mean?
The bat.
Who?
Where's the bat?
I don't know. I traded all my life savings for this. I'm not sure if I have it.
I'll take it, because it's good enough.
What do you want to use it for? Last time, I've been watching you kicking it, rolling down the stairs of the temple. God.
I didn't find your bat, but I did get this cool notebook. Take it. Goodbye. Come on, Spanky.
Ow!